Hi, my name is Susan Hodeffer. I'm from the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I too have been to numerous events very similar to this. And I'm kind of sad because I feel like I've been in a bad marriage for about 4 months, and I wish I had met you sooner. Um, some of you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, it has really been phenomenal, very eye-opening. I came in with a specific thing I thought I wanted to do, and now I'm all about the single user. I mean, I'm going out and looking for commercial single use. But it's been great. I have enjoyed your energy, and I've enjoyed meeting the people here and having a chance to visit with everyone. It's just been a really great experience, and I hope that we can all continue to stay in contact with one another and encourage one another, because it's really hard when you get out there by yourself to try to figure out what you're wanting to do and what you can do, and there's a lot of synergy in the group. So anyway, thank you so much.
I just wanted to say thank you because I so enjoyed your presentations. And Kathy and I were at a seminar a couple of weeks ago, and the woman who was presenting was all over the place and never finished a subject to where we felt like we could master that subject. And I couldn't agree with you more about about your statement. So thank you again. Really appreciate it.